What is up, guys? This is Triple J0401, and today I kind of want to do an unboxing of the iPad Pro. It is right here, the iPad Pro. It's not an official unboxing because I already opened it, as you can tell, but I kind of re-sealed it, sort of. Some things you're gonna say, hey, that's not unboxing, it's not sealed. Oh, sorry, you might hear a plane actually. So I tried to reseal it so I could re-show you guys, so it could be one of my videos, because I really wanted to do this as a video. Yeah, it's a loud plane. This is the 64GB iPad Pro 12.9-inch Wi-Fi edition. Let me repeat that so you can hear me, because the plane just flew by. Anyways, this is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch Wi-Fi, 64GB. Pretty pricey in my opinion. Well, not in my opinion. Well, a lot of people will say it's pricey. I also did get a smart cover for it, because I felt like I should have got something to protect it, so I decided to go with this. I was going to go with the keyboard, but I realized I already own a keyboard, so I didn't need to buy it, and plus it was $129 for it, so it was way overpriced, but maybe one day I'll get it. Yeah, I'll do that after. You're going to see a cat over there. Yeah. So let's please. I was pretty excited when this came. It came actually it came at like 9 o'clock in the morning, which I wasn't expecting. I was actually expecting it to come, I would say like maybe in the afternoon, early afternoon. But it came in the morning. Yeah, you can tell it's already been opened. But I wanted to do this for you guys. It's a little dirty. Okay. So here's the iPad. It's pretty big for the size, yeah. I did add a screen protector on it. That's why I didn't really want to show it to you, but I had to because I wanted to do an unboxing, but I just had to open it. So that's the iPad. It comes with this, which is a lightning cable. You obviously know what that is. And then it should come with Apple stickers. It comes with the usual books that mostly come with all Apple products. These, and it does come with Apple stickers. I didn't know that for a fact, but I think it did. And I wish the AirPods did come with came with Apple stickers, but it didn't. Yeah, I already opened this, but I use this now for my phone because it actually charges my phone way more faster. I don't know that was a sentence. It charges it faster than the little 5-watt cable, and the airplane is still flying over. Oh boy, it's probably gonna be loud. Anyways, this comes with it, and then the cable, and that's pretty much it. Really? Let me get this out of the box now. So there will be a new not a new video, an upcoming video after this one that comes out for the unboxing video. It's gonna be another video for it, cause I don't know if I should tell you guys what it is, but yeah, I'll just tell you guys. One of my videos idea was to talk about why I got this. I'm not gonna explain it in this video why I bought this. You're probably wondering why I bought it for. There's probably a reason why I bought it, and there is, but I'm not gonna tell you guys yet because it's another video that I'm gonna be making. So let me get. I don't need this stuff. No. Okay. I don't want to put this on there yet. This is a pretty dangerous thing. This is a smart cover. And if you don't know what a smart cover is, it just covers the front of it, the screen, nothing else. Because I wanted some kind of protection on the iPad because it's very expensive. So this was one of the cheapest options I could get. And plus, I don't need a case like covering the whole thing right at this moment. But this is pretty easy to open. It just pops out like this. And then, as you can tell, if you've never seen an iPad unboxing, that's just right here. Right there is the smart connector. That's for all the smart accessories like the keyboard and this, so it makes it so you just do this. It makes it so when you close it and open it, it sleeps and awakes. So every time you open it, the screen awakes. And then you close it, it puts it to sleep. And it's pretty easy to do this. And you're done. So that's what it looks like. Yeah. That's what it looks like. And then you just do this. It's already been used. I've used it for about, let's see, about like a couple hours, I would say. And I have been loving it. I'm getting an Apple Pencil soon. Not at the moment, but I think like around Christmas time I should be getting one. If I don't, I'll probably just buy one instead. Because they said that the best thing to get out of the iPad is the Apple Pencil. You can tell it's pretty fast for the speed, yeah. So that's what it looks like. I downloaded a lot of apps so far. But I'll make that also a video. But I think, here you go. So if you can, and that was, see, and close it, goes to sleep. I think that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully this goes up tonight. I hope it does come out tonight. The day I drop it, which is I think it's Thursday today, the day I'm making this. So if it's not Thursday that you see this video uploaded, it's because it didn't upload in time. But I do hope it does, because I've been meaning to get videos out like usual, but the internet here has been kind of slow. I don't know why it's been slowed down, but it has. So if I don't upload this, it will be uploaded as soon as possible. Other than that, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.